your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here, and what's up? Peace. So, mail call day. Like I've always said, it's like Christmas. And what I got here is from a friend of mine. And as always, when he sends me these things, he likes to be anonymous. That's just him. But then I've got other subscribers that do the very same thing. And that's cool. I respect that. So he sent me some pens, and he takes extremely well care of his pens. And I do these for giveaways, or when I see people, I'll talk to them about fountain pens. And the majority of the time, they don't even know what a fountain pen is. They've never heard of it, used it. So that's my chance to kind of move in and have a little chat with them about fountain pens to keep that momentum of fountain pens flowing. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. I don't know about you guys, but really, fountain pens is a major deal with me. It's just not trying to keep up with the Joneses, because I can't do that, and I'll never do that. I just love fountain pens. Yeah, the bells and whistles are outstanding. So is the price. But, you know, for me as well, just a simple, everyday student carry pen is totally awesome to me. For me, it's all about what's under the hood, the nib. If the nib's great, I'm a happy camper. If it's not, I'm not a happy camper. So let's open this box and see what's inside that Mr. Anonymous sent me. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Well, it's almost Halloween time, and I'm excited. Mr. Announcer, are you going to take me this year trick-or-treating?
Well, if we can find a decent place to do it, yes.
Wow. Now, you said that last year, remember, and you didn't do it. What happened with that?
I plead the 5th.
Well, how about the year before that?
I plead the 5th.
And before that?
5th.
You're not embarrassed to take me, are you, trick-or-treating?
Oh, no, not at all.
I didn't think you were. You're not that type of person. All right, here we go. And I don't even know what they are myself, but we got a 27.2D. I'll take it. And of course, he sends me, as always, a nice little note. Yep. Thank you, Mr. Anonymous. Here we go. I guess I'll just get them all out here, and we can just do it like this, very neatly packed. And I'll let Mr. Announcer do the honors when they come out.
Let's see.
Faber-Castell.
Faber-Castell, yes. Hexo, I think is what it says.
Okay, now you can get ready for that, and I'll show this pen real quick. Very cool looking pen. All right. Extra fine nib. Yeah, he really digs the extra fine nib, and I have started to follow that same pace. But medium still is my favorite, but fine and extra fine are very cool.
Here is Nemesis Singularity.
All right. Anito Nemesis. This is really nice. Look at that. You can't even tell it's been used. That looks brand new, doesn't it? Wow. Okay.
This one is Fountain Pen Revolution, Ebonite Trevini.
Yes. Let's check out under the hood. And I have one like this, but I think mine has a flex nib. This has extra fine. Beautiful. Beautiful fountain pen, beautiful writer.
Oh, we got two there. I think those are stuck. Okay, another FPR Ebonite Trevani.
Okay, let me put these. Okay, hold on here for a second. All right. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is that mauve color green kind of really nice looking color. Yep. Hold on for a second, Mr. Announcer. Give me a second. This is extra fine. Totally awesome. Let me put this up. Are you in a hurry, Mr. Announcer?
No.
Oh, shoot. Let me find the case that it came in. All right. Ta-da! Okay, next.
This one I can't make out one of the words. It's a Lamy rollerball. Maybe typo?
It's a Lamy rollerball. Something. Very cool. Ah! Look at that. Yep. You know, I've always wondered about the Lamy rollerball. And here it is right here that you got. It's very interesting. Huh. Very interesting. Okay.
This one is unmarked.
Ah, we'll call this the vampire. And this is not unmarked. It is a school M-A-N
Manga.
manga Japanese town. Yep, it is Japanese, yep. And hold up. And this is a manga nib. Manga. Well, I'll make that out later. Let's on with the show. This is it.
Pilot Custom 74.
Take your time here. And here we have a Pilot Custom 74. A gorgeous Pilot 74. Gold nib, fine nib. Utterly beautiful fountain pen with the bells and whistles. Next.
Nemesign Fission.
All right. Fusion. Is it fission? Or
Fission.
Fission. I thought it was fission. Okay. These are really super nice pens as well. I've got a few hundred. Kidding. Fine nib. I really like these Nemesigns. I like the weight in these pens. Yep. They're very cool. Very cool. Nice nibs. Okay.
And this one has two Pilot Metropolitan.
Here's two pilots. Nice, beautiful orange color, getting ready for Halloween.
That's almost gold, actually.
Yep. A lot of what?
I said almost gold.
Oh, yeah,
colored.
almost. And let's see if this has a, what kind of nib. And he's got a CM nib on it. That could be for what, medium maybe? I have to look it up on my notes because I am Mr. Forgetful. A beautiful
I like that
red.
color.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Yep. And this is a fine. So, and let's just open it up and show the inside. That is clean. Has it ever been used? Doesn't even look like it. Wow. Okay. Well, my friends, this will wrap it up for Mail Call today. I appreciate you stopping by and having fun with me. And let me just say this. I really appreciate all of you guys that have subscribed to my channel. I really mean that. And thanks to each and every one of you that have sent me pins for review that I have to send back, which I hate doing that, or that I may keep or give away as I do. And I do the giveaways mainly on the, I would say, silent side, because like I said, I do meet a lot of people, believe it or not, and that's what these pins go to. I have a lot of new pins, well, not a lot. I have some new pins that also will be for giveaways, maybe later this upcoming year, but some of these pins will be given away as well this upcoming year, like upcoming November, December. I've got some cool giveaways coming up. Talking about giveaways, don't forget from the Ink Journal, the awesome Inktopuss pen sleeve. I've already let Tom know how I'm going to work this. I buy the pen sleeve. If your name is selected, then you send me all the information. Then I'll get in touch with Tom. I will pay for the purchase and send him all your mailing information. And then Tom from Ink Journal will send you this beautiful pen sleeve. It is really gorgeous. It's just totally awesome. You know, this has just personality. It's got class. It screams awesome, doesn't it? Just, I mean, I have to look at this thing almost every day. It just, these octopuses are cool. So I guess that's why the Beatles come up with Octopus's Garden. Isn't that a song we used to play?
Yes.
I like to be under the sea. Yep. Great song. Well, okay, folks, I'm going to hang it up for now. So don't forget. And, you know, while we're at it, let me say a few more things to get this all on one video so we don't have to make another video. Remember the giveaway for the pen sleeves will end on the 29th. That's Thursday at 4 p. Central Time. Then we'll announce it on the channel here, my YouTube channel. Don't forget, on the 30th, that's Friday at 6:30 p. Central Time. 7:30 would be Eastern Standard Time. John Lane, the rep for Visconti from Coles of London, will be on, as well as Frank from Federalist Pens. So that's going to be one awesome Zoom meet. I hope you can make this one. If you're a pen enthusiast, I would be making as many as I could, because I try to put on as many as I can, period. Then, for right now in November, on Sunday, on the 8th, at 5 p. Central Time, we're having Anderson Pens on. That's Lisa and Brian. Brian and Lisa. Brian in the Corvette. Brian, Lisa, Anderson.
Yeah!
They'll be on. That's going to be absolutely dynamite. And then on November the 10th, it's going to be Larry's Fountain Pen Pals again on my Zoom Pen Hangout. It's going to be Tony Rustic and myself, 6:30 p. Central Time. Just say it.
Rustici.
Italiano. I keep forgetting to put that Rustici in there. I'm sorry, Tony. Oh, well. And then on November the 13th, Tom from Ink Journal will be on. That is another super dynamite show. Really, if you never have met Tom, here's your chance, not just to meet Tom, but everybody else, and just have a great time. That's the lineup so far, but I'm trying to get others lined up as well. So, any of you pen dealers, sellers, pen makers out there, if you happen to run by my little YouTube, my humble YouTube channel, and you like to have a Zoom meet, hey, contact me, folks. And then we can schedule that and get you down on the books. And we can just have a blast. So, I think that's going to take care of it. So, it's time to go. Cubby wants his bed snack. And when Cubby says, Grandpa, I need my bed snacks, it's time to give him his bed snack. So, God bless you. Love you. Oh, one last thing. Have you seen that new one on Fountain Pen Revolution that Kevin put out on Facebook? did you see where he just come out with the engraving? And he just got that in, and he's playing around with that. So soon, you can have your names engraved over at Fountain Pen Revolution. Kevin's got a whole lot of new stuff going on. I mean, a lot. He's really upgrading, going to town. I mean, it's like tentacles coming out. Bam, 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 bam. So, you might want to look up Kevin's website. I think last but not least, I will be doing an upcoming review on Jim Hines on the nib that some of my viewers wanted to see my thoughts on a extra fine nib. So I asked Jim and he sent it to me. It's going to be in that Americana. It's a high-end custom-made pen, but you're getting top-notch quality fountain pen. And remember, Jim does one at a time. No more, no less. All right. I think I got everything in here. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Sounds like it.
Trick or treat, don't forget me. Thanks for supporting my channel, however you may do it. If possible, send 50 cents. If possible, send $5,000. I'm just kidding. Take care, my friends. Wash those hands. A lot of peace, a lot of love. And don't forget to watch an ink guy. You ink people out there need to watch the ink guy. That's Adam. Yeah, you want to know about inks? Check out an ink guy. He's going to tell you about inks. Bam! That's it. I'm done. I'm gone. I'm out of here because I'm going like freaking nuts. Goodbye.